Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making mango sticky rice. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check out my other channel, I game over there. First you're going to add a 13.5 to 14 can of full fat coconut milk and half a cup to 2/3 a cup granulated sugar to a saucepan, which you're going to mix until smooth, then simmer for 15 minutes, then separate half a cup from it and cool them covered. Now you're going to soak 2 cups of Thai sweet rice for a minimum of 4 hours and up to overnight, and then you're going to wrap it in a bundle of cheesecloth and steam it for 15 minutes or until it sticks together. And if it doesn't stick together, you do another 5 minutes, and then you flip it and do another 10 to 15 minutes just until it is all sticky, and then you let it cool on a plate. Now you're going to chop up 2 large or 4 small ripe mangoes. You're going to peel them first, and then you're going to cut around the pit, and you're going to cut them into 1/4-inch slices. Last but not least, you're going to take your now sticky rice and you're going to mix it in with your sauce. And you're going to stir that together, and then you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, stir it again, and let it sit for 10 minutes while covered. To serve, you're going to put the sticky rice into a bowl, top it with some mango, and then take that half cup of sauce that you set aside, drizzle some of that on top, and sprinkle with either chopped cashews, roasted cashews, or roasted sesame seeds. This recipe was good, but it was pretty coconutty. This is so far the only recipe in this book that there's actually been a part of it that I dislike. If I were to make it again, I would substitute the coconut milk for something, probably some sort of just milk variant, but it's not it wasn't too bad. I got through it. But because of how coconutty is, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of 10. It would have been so... It would have been... There's a good chance it was like one of the top recipes if it wasn't coconutty. But oh well. Like, everyone else in my family liked it. It's just... I don't like coconut. The reason it is not high up is entirely my own taste. But to be fair, that's the entire list.